Okay, the 9mm had marginal penetration. Let's see what happens when we start shooting with something serious. We shot a couple of times with a 223. You'll notice some real dents and a jagged hole. The problem is that bullet, I shot twice, only one of them has come through. These bullets are actually breaking apart inside the refrigerator. Now let's look at the back of it. The 9mm cuts a nice round hole. That bullet is still going forward. These 223s are actually breaking up and tumbling after they've gone through the wall. This bullet, you can tell, an almost perfect sideways hit. So, although the 223 is a lot more powerful than the 9mm, the way the bullet starts tumbling after it hits solid objects, like your wall, your refrigerator actually gives you more protection against a more powerful round than it does a less powerful round in this particular case. However, you notice at least one of the bullets still went through, so your protection level is pretty small.